Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how we add a GSD file for a profibus device in Simatic Manager. I will be adding a profibus I/O device from Crevice. To find GSD files, in most cases you can find them from the website of the company who created the device. I downloaded my GSD file directly from Crevice website and then put it in a suitable map. In Simatic Manager we want to open up the station's hardware configuration. Now to add the GSD file we click on Options, then Install GSD file. Then click on Browse and choose the map you put the GSD file in. Then we click on Install. Now that the install is complete, we can find the GSD file in the Profibus DP tab. Usually in the GSD file there will be all kind of Profibus devices added from the producer. I will first add a Profibus station and choose an address. The address number must be the same on the switches of the device. Then I can add the correct Profibus device. If we double-click it we can change things like starting address of inputs and outputs. But I will stick to the preset addressing. I will now go to the OB1 main block and add some programming to it. I have wired a button to input 1.0. So I will use that input to turn on a few random outputs. I will now download it and test it out. As you can see, I had a little error with my device. It reacts only to the inputs but not the outputs. And the I/O lamp is flashing, indicating there's a problem. After some troubleshooting I found out that the supported baud rate I was using was wrong. This Profibus device only supported a lower baud rate. So I went back to the hardware configuration and opened up the object properties of the profibus device. Here I could lower the baud rate. I went with the lowest possible to be sure it worked. I will now save and download the program again and test it out. I can see now that the I/O lamp is not flashing anymore and it got connection. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.